In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use lookup fields in Zendesk. Now, whether you're a customer service pro or a budding admin, mastering lookup fields can be a real game changer for streamlining your operation and ensuring smooth data management. So let's dive right in to understand how you can make these fields work perfectly for you. First things first, let's get started by heading over to Zendesk. Simply open up your preferred web browser and type in zendesk.com. This will bring you to the Zendesk homepage where all the magic happens. Once you're on the main page, you'll need to log into your account. Do this by clicking on the Sign In button, typically located at the top right corner of the screen. After clicking Sign In, you'll be redirected to the login page. Here, you need to enter your email address and password associated with your Zendesk account. Remember to double check that your credentials are correct to avoid any access issues. Once you've entered your details, proceed by clicking Sign In again, and you should soon find yourself in your Zendesk environment. Now that you're logged in, look towards the lower left corner of your screen for the settings icon. Clicking this will open up a range of options. Here, your next stop is the Go to Admin Center. Clicking on this link will grant you access to the Admin Hub where you can make more detailed changes to your Zendesk setup. Within the Admin Center, find and click on Objects and Rules. This is where you'll configure various elements that make up your Zendesk system. Once you're in the Objects and Rules section, look for Fields and click on it. This is a crucial step as it will lead you to the area where you can create or modify fields within your Zendesk. In the Fields section, click on Lookup Relationship. This function allows you to build connections between different datasets in your system, which can be incredibly useful for reference or automation processes. Next, you'll want to type in the name of your new lookup field. Ensure the name is clear and descriptive so you and your team can easily identify it in the future. After you have the name settled, consider adding a description. This serves as additional context that can help other users understand the purpose of the lookup field. With everything in place, the final step is to save your new configuration. Simply click on the Save button, and just like that, you've successfully set up a lookup field in Zendesk. And there you have it. Following these steps will ensure that you are able to utilize lookup fields effectively, enhancing your productivity and data management within Zendesk. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial informative and easy to follow. Feel free to check back for more tutorials on optimizing your Zendesk experience.